1. Here, question is concrete contain option 1 because aggregate having higher coefficient of expansion, it means aggregate having intermediate coefficient of expansion. Limestone having a lowest coefficient of expansion. Here the answer is all are correct. Question number 2. Select the correct statement. SSC has greater fire resistance than steel. Structure is economical than structure. Strength of concrete increases. SSC can be used for underwater and marine structure. Here the incorrect answer is option C. Because the strength of concrete does not decreases as increases. So now the question number 3. Water cement ratio is the ratio of water to cement by weight, water to cement by volume, cement to water by weight, cement to water by volume. So the answer is A. Water to cement by weight. Question number 4. Concrete is weak in tension, strong in tension, strong in both tension and compression, weak in compression. Here the answer is A. Because the concrete is always weak in tension. But strong in compression. So that's the answer. That's why answer is answer A. Question number 5. The intent here in concrete. Increase the strength, decrease the resistance to weathering, increase the workability, decrease in the workability. So the answer is increase the workability. Because when there is a presence of urine in the concrete, it increases the workability. So that's why the answer is option number C. Now the question number 6. Concrete is suitable for compaction by vibration if it is a semi-plastic, plastic, earth moist and dry. Here the answer is B. If the concrete is the plastic, it will be unsuitable for the compactions by the vibrator. The strength and quality of concrete depends upon grading of aggregate, shape of aggregate, surface area of aggregate, surface and texture of aggregate. The strength and quality of the concrete depends upon. Here the options is D, because it depends upon all the option which is given in question number 7. That is the grading of aggregate, shape of aggregate, surface area of aggregate, and surface texture of aggregate. Now question number 8. In order to avoid the segregation, fresh concrete should be dropped from a height of less than 1 meter, less than 2 meter, more than 1 meter, and more than 2 meter. Here the answer is A. Because if it is dropped from the more than the 1 meter, then the segregations are occur in concrete. That's why the option number A is the suitable answer. That's why the answer of question number 8 is A. 9. The process of hardening in concrete in the presence of water is called the process of hardening of concrete in the presence of water is called the creep, hydration, shrinkage, curing. Here the answer is B, because in the process of hydration, water reacts with the cement and the concrete becomes the hardening. The process of keeping the concrete structure moist is called the hydration, curing, creep, shrinkage. Here this question is very simple. Answer is curing, because if for the to keep the concrete moisture, we do a curing for certain time. Question number 11. The separation of water or water cement mixture from the freshly laid concrete is known as workability, segregation, bleeding, and creep. It's very simple. In bleeding there is the separation of water. So answer is option number C, 12. The continuous strain which the concrete undergo due to the application of external load is called option number A, creep, bleeding, workability, and segregation. Here the option number A is suitable answer. That is creep. Option number A is the answer of question number 2. Now next question. Question number 13. The process of conversion of plastic concrete to solid state is called the hydration, hardening, setting, and curing. Here the option number C is suitable answer because in setting, concrete changes from plastic state to a solid state. Now next question. Question number 14. At 28 days of curing, concrete attains a strength of 90 to 95% is answer. Okay, that's why the answer of question number 14 is D. Now next question 15. In a mass concrete, the aggregate occupy a space of in a mass concrete the aggregate occupy a space of 25%, 75%, 40%, and 60% are the options. Here the 75% is the best answer. In question number 16, the coarse aggregate which possesses the property of good interlocking are rounded shape, elongated shape, angular shape, none of the above. In angular shape, there is a good interlocking. So, option number C is the answer of question number 16. While placing a concrete, the thickness of each layer of RCC is 150 to 300 mm, 450 mm, 500 to 750 mm, the 500 mm. Answer is A, 150 to 300 mm. Next question 18. Increase in water content in cement concrete. Option increase workability, increase the strength. Option number A, first, increase the workability, increase. Option number B, increase the strength. Option number C, both of the above. Option D, neither I nor I. Option A is the suitable answer because if water content is increase in cement concrete, it increases the workability of the concrete. 19. Slump cone test is used to determine option are shrinkage of concrete mix, creep of concrete, workability of concrete mix, sourness of concrete. Here the option number C, workability of concrete mix. Slump test is used to determine the workability. That's why the answer C is correct. Now next question 20. While determining the workability of concrete mix, the compaction factor test is dash then the slump one test. While determining the workability of concrete mix, the compaction factor test is less accurate, more accurate, accuracy method, none of the above. It's more accurate. Compaction factor gives the more accurate results than the slump cone test. That's why the answer B is good answer. Now next question 21. Workability of concrete mix with low water cement ratio is determined by tensile strength test, slump cone test, compaction factor test, flexure strength test. Compaction factor test is used for the low water cement ratio. Slump cone test is not used for that. Now next question 22. If the slump of the concrete mix is 50 to 100 mm, its workability is option very low, low, medium, and high. Option C is medium. A compaction factor of 0.75 indicate dash workability. Very low, low, medium, high. That is very low. Compaction factor, if the compaction factor is of concrete is 0.75, then the workability is very low. That's the answer is A. 24. Shrinkage in concrete can be reduced by using low water cement ratio, more amount of cement in the concrete, pre-saturated aggregate. All are the correct options. That's why the no C. I and second, more amount of cement in the shrinkage in concrete can be reduced by using the more amount of pre-saturated. Pre-saturated. Here the answer should be D. Okay. The answer your answer C is wrong. The good answer of 24 will be D, because if we use the pre-saturated aggregate, then the shrinkage will be reduced in concrete. That's why the answer is D. Here both the answer is written as C, but that's not good answer. 25. The process of proper and accurate measurement of the concrete ingredient for uniformity of proportion is known as curing, mixing, grading, batching. Here the answer is D. Obviously it's batching. Now next question, 26. Select the incorrect statement from the following. With the passage of time, the strength of cement decreases. Next option, with passage of time, the strength of cement increases. Next option, after a period of 24 months, the strength of cement reduced to 50%. The concrete made with strong deteriorated cement gains the strength with time. The answer is 7. With the passage of time, the strength of the cement is increases.